don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care who I run from. You're on my mind, on my mind. And you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, not the kind. On my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, yeah, another kind. Another kind. I don't usually like people, no. I just think they got too much to say. You're on my mind, on my mind. And you know I'm broken, but you're not the kind, not the kind. On my mind, so listen. I'm on the run, afraid of heights and too much for sound. But oh, you make me numb like no one else. You're too much to calm me down. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. Oh, you're another kind. You're another kind. Oh, you're another
In the air, I can see the magic in the air. 'Cause something about you is making me feel so unusual. And tonight, I'm brave enough to say that I want you to stay. 'Cause this kind of love and that we share is so unusual. And maybe it's crazy of me to say it's only been a couple days, I know. But baby, never did I think I could feel this way. Now I'm missing you every night and day. Can I see you again? Can I see you again? 'Cause I'd do anything just to see your face. When you're not around, it don't feel the same. Can I see you again? Can I see you again? again? Can I see you again? 'Cause I'd do anything just to see you again. When you're not around, no, it don't feel the same. Can I see you again? Can I see you again? Yeah, yeah. Can I see you again?
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting glass after glass. I keep hoping you'll come around, drown in our fights and whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying.